After a woman went viral for finding a winning lottery ticket in her spam folder, I'm here to tell you to check that junk folder. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and you may remember the story from the news last year. A Michigan woman happened to check her spam folder in her email box looking for an email from a friend she never received. While browsing the junk emails, she saw one saying she had won the Mega Millions jackpot. While a lot of emails saying you've won free money are bogus, this woman had just purchased a Mega Millions ticket, so she logged into her account to confirm if the winnings were real. And guess what? They were. All $3 million of them. It's important to be careful while navigating your spam folder. Sometimes malware and other scams will make it in, but sometimes important emails can also end up in that junk folder for one reason or another. My CyberGuy newsletter has even ended up in the junk folder of some of our viewers because we include photos and a lot of info about cyber attacks. So make sure you always check your spam folder for emails you're looking for, like mine. A backup method is to add anyone you know to your email contacts list so that they will be recognized as a known sender in the future. For more tech tips and how to get my free newsletter, head to cyberguy.com.